Hi, I'm Lê Đức Tùng. Thank you for trusting me to lead product development across Vietnam, China, and India. My purpose is simple: to build twin products and partnerships that last. Vision: in 3 years, our team will be known as the region's most trusted product engine for building materials, fast, predictable, and honorable. We'll launch fewer but sharper lines. Every spec is clear, every promise is kept, and every partner, supplier, or customer feel respected. We'll measure ourselves by 4 numbers: profitable growth, on time in full at 95% or better, rework below 1%, and true NPS scores, suppliers and customers, both above 60. What we will accomplish: first, we'll stabilize quality with a simple source of truth for specs and definition of done, DOD, attached to every task. Second, we'll shorten the path from brief to purchasing order by 30% using lightweight PM, visible Kanban, and addition rights that remove bottlenecks. Third, we'll build a resilient Vietnam, China, India supplier network. Each partner audited on process capability, compliance, and improvement cadence. Finally, we grow leaders so success does not depend on any one person, including me. For a personal story, a short story about why I lead this way. In a prior roles, a long-time supplier asked us to overlook a small place variance to hit a date. Saying yes would have been easy. Instead, we brought to the mentioned real complaint to the room. The dice were forcing recuts on site. We paused the shipment, go design a quick process check, and delivered 2 days late. Complaints fell to 0 the next month. That moment taught me that service and integrity are not slogans. They are operational choice that build reputation for years. About the obstacle we face: we will face trade remedy shocks, demand swings, and cross-cultural misreads. Specs can thrive under pressure, even strong scheme slip into headaches and net rework. Our answer is not to work harder in chaos, but to make the change legible and stay present under heat. How will you lead through change? For every change, you'll see one-page brief. Why we are changing, what will change, who decides, and when we reveal. We run short pre-mortems to survey risk early. In meetings, we begin with a 3-minute reset, name the emotion, breathe, and ask one empathic question. What would make this a win for you today? This slows us down just enough to hear what actually matters, then we move fast. So, what you can expect from me? You can expect clarity, consistency, and coaching. I will connect our work to a real customer story. Stick the strategy in the sentence and protect your time by removing ambiguity. I will flex my style, directive when risk is high and readiness is low. Coaching when you're ready to run. I'll give you the SBI feedback, specific behavior anchor, and oriented to learning. My calendar will reflect my words, recurring one-on-one, design reviews, and supplier walks. So, what I expect of you? On outcomes end to end. If something is unclear, escalate early with options, not problems. Anchor discussion in data and the customer use case. Build each other's success, no solo heroes. Write the definition of done before you start. Keep the decision visible on your board. When you make decisions with your rights, stand by it. If it fails, we learn, not blame. About value and principle, my values are service, integrity, and growth. Service means we start from the job site and household we serve. Integrity means we tell the truth about quality and feasibility, even when uncomfortable. Growth means we turn mistakes into learning loops. What happened, what did we learn, and what will we change this week? So let's talk about 90 days plan. From the days 1 to 30, listen, map reality, and standardize our product brief and definition of done, DOD. We'll baseline OTIF, rework, and recycle time from the days 31st to 60. Run through flagship chain pilots, one in Thais, one in bathroom, using the one-page chain brief, publish weekly dashboards. About 61 dates to the day 90. Scale what work, log in quarterly supplier reviews and a cadence of story plus strategy openers in every team meeting. So why me and what I've accomplished? I have lived in the details of specs, cost, and progress across Vietnam, China, and India. I've negotiated across cultures, built supplier trust, and shipped products that customers keep buying. I've also learned where I need the team when I coach the system instead of rewriting the task quality scales. So, about call to action. I want each of you to do 2 things this week. First, rewrite one ongoing task with a clear definition of done and share it with your partner team. Second, bring one customer story, a real pain point, to our Monday stand-up. We will start there and design backward. If we do this consistently, we'll be the team everyone calls when it simply has to work. Thank you for the privilege to lead you. Let's build products and partnerships that last. Thank you.